Of course. Of course, I like your new hairstyle. If you're busy, you don't have to come, of course. Can we go to the concert? Of course we can.
Do you like soccer?
Of course I like soccer. That's why I play it every day.
On and on. The road goes on and on. They worked on and on through the night. It rained on and on for days.
Did your aunt call last night?
Yes, she talked on and on for 3 hours.
On foot. He made the journey on foot. You can go everywhere on foot in my town. They had to go on foot after their car broke down.
Do you go to school by bus?
No, I don't. I go on foot.
On purpose. I'm sorry I spilt the drink. It wasn't on purpose. He missed the school bus on purpose because he didn't like school. She broke the cup on purpose.
Hey, did you hit me on purpose?
No, I didn't. It was an accident.
On schedule. The bus usually arrives on schedule. The meeting did not start on schedule. I hope that my plane is on schedule.
Will the train be late today?
No, it will arrive on schedule.
On the contrary. He's not lazy. On the contrary, he's very active. Are you cold? On the contrary, I'm quite warm. You don't look overweight. On the contrary, you seem very healthy.
Was that movie bad?
On the contrary, it was the best movie I've ever seen.
On the way. On one's way. There is a gas station on the way to the next city.
On the way to work this morning, she saw a deer.
I will stop by the post office on my way home.
We don't have any milk. Can you buy some today?
Okay, I'll buy some on the way home from school today.
On the weekend. They are going fishing on the weekend. We used to go hiking on weekends. I take my son to the park on the weekend. What are you going to do on the weekend?
I'm going to play soccer on Saturday and go to church on Sunday.
On time. He wanted to get to his meeting on time. Most of the people came on time. This train is always on time.
Let's go to school now. I don't want to be late for class.
Don't worry, we'll be on time.
Once in a while. Once in a while, I like to eat seafood. My old friend calls me once in a while. Once in a while, he goes to rock concerts.
Do you like to go to movies?
No, but I rent a video once in a while.
Out of breath. After running so long, he was out of breath.
She was out of breath after running up the stairs.
By the time we reached the top, we were out of breath.
Why are you out of breath?
Because I ran here from my house.
Out of date. His haircut is out of date. My computer is already out of date. Don't take medicine that is out of date.
I can't find the new road on this map.
It's probably out of date.
Pass by. He said hello as he passed by his friend. I saw a big dog passing by my house around 2 o'clock. People along the street waved as the parade passed by.
Do you know where Anne's house is?
Yes, I do. I pass by it every day when I walk home from school.
Pass out. He is passing out. She hit her head on the tree and passed out. You will pass out if you hold your breath for too long.
Is he sleeping?
No, he saw some blood and passed out.
Pay a visit. I will pay a visit to my grandma tomorrow. We paid a visit to our relatives. Let's pay a visit to them sometime.
Let's pay a visit to Kevin.
Good idea. I haven't seen him for a long time.
Pay attention to. You should pay attention to road signs when you're driving. He was not paying attention in class. Pay attention to me.
Does he pay attention to the teacher in class?
No, he doesn't. He only talks to his friends and draws pictures on his desk.
Pick out. Pick out the one you like. She picked out a nice dress for the party. I picked out the best apple in the basket.
I want to buy a shirt, but I don't know which color to get.
I'll help you pick out a color.
Pick up. Pick up the hammer. He picked up the pen and wrote a letter. She picked up her hat and put it on.
This room is a mess. Pick up your toys.
Okay, Mom. I will.
Piece by piece. He put the puzzle together piece by piece. She ate the whole cake piece by piece. He picked up the broken dish piece by piece.
How did they move that big sculpture?
They took it apart and moved it piece by piece.
Play a trick on. The dog is playing a trick on the cat. He got into trouble for playing a trick on his sister. Don't ever play a trick on me again.
I like to untie my brother's shoes, hide his pencils, and put frogs in his bed.
That's not nice. Do you always play tricks on him?